Developing a successful information system is one of the major issues and challenges for a business owner and manager like Mr. Alex Bagoyan. Within the world of businesses, you'll be mindful for proposing or creating modern and progressive deployments of data advances for your business or company. Developing an information system involves identifying the needs of an organization and designing a system that meets those needs. This progress often involves a team of experts, including business analysts, software developers, and information technology professionals. As a business owner, you may also regularly manage to improve efforts of your information system specialists and other business and clients. The planning stage involves a thorough analysis of organization's current processes and needs, as well as detailed specification of the requirements for a new information system. It also involves creating detailed blueprints for new information system. This blueprint should include specification for the hardware, software, data, and people that will involved in the system. It should also outline the various processes and procedures that will be used to collect, process, store, and disseminate information. Once the design is complete, the implementation stage begins. This involves actually building and installing the new system as well as training employees on how to use it. The implementation process can be time-consuming and complex, and it is important to carefully manage the project to ensure that it stays on schedule and within budget. After the new system is implemented, it must be truly tested to ensure that it's working correctly and meeting the organization's needs. This may involve conducting pilot tests with small group of users as well as more extensive testing with a wider group of users. Once the system has been tested and is deemed to functioning properly, it is put into operation. However, the development process doesn't end here. The system must carefully monitored and maintained to ensure that it continues to meet the organization needs. This may involve regular updates and upgrades, as well as the ongoing training for employees. In general, the process of developing information system is a complex and involves many different stages. It requires a collaboration of a team of experts who have a wide range of skills and expertise. The ultimate goal of this process is to create a system that is efficient, effective, and flexible, and that is enable an organization to improve its operation and make better decisions. Most companies use information system because they provide a number of benefits that makes them valuable assets for organizations. Information system allow companies to store and analyze data, automate processes, and make more informed decisions. Additionally, information system can help companies improve communication and collaboration among employees, as well as with customers or with other stakeholders. Overall, information systems provide a number of advantages that makes them an essential tool for business of all sizes and in all industries. One of the main reasons why companies use information systems is to improve the efficiency of their operations. By storing data digitally, companies can access and process information more quickly than they could using traditional paper-based system. This can help organizations to streamline their operation, reduce the amount of time and effort needed to complete tasks, and improve overall productivity. Information systems also allow companies to make more informed decisions. By storing and analyzing data, organizations can gain insights into their operation and identify areas where they can improve. This can help companies to identify trends, forecast future demands, and plan for future. With access to this type of information, companies can make more informed decisions that can help them to grow and succeed in an increasingly competitive business environment. As a whole, this system provides a number of benefits that can help organizations to improve their operation, to make more informed, to improve their operation, make more informed decision, improve communication and collaboration among employees, and improve their relationship with customers and other stakeholders. As a result, information system has become essential tool for companies looking for succeed today's digital world. There are many options other than developing information system, such as 1. Developing traditional software applications, 2. Providing IT supports and services, 3. Consulting and technology-related issues, 4 is creating and managing database, 5 is building and maintaining networks, 6 is developing and implementing security measures, 7 is conducting research as emerging technologies, 8 is providing training education on technology-related topics. Ultimately, the best option for you will depend on your interest, skills, and experience. It's important to consider what you enjoy doing and make you are good at, as well as the current job market and potential career paths in your field.
What features does an enterprise system similar to SAP give? An enterprise system, also known as an enterprise resource planning (ERP) or ERP system, is an across-functional information system that provides assuration, wide collaboration and integration of critical businesses processes and helps in planning the finances of an association. C also operates as a process discipline and science. And an ERP system is driven by the ERP software suite, a set of integrated software modules and common centralized database. These software modules support the primary business processes under the different functional areas, and the database stores data from the feed the data to colorful operation, supporting the internal business exertion. These sample business processes supported by ERP software includes account, outstanding, general account, cash operation, and etc. Next is what is the primary advantages of the enterprise-wide system? An enterprise-wide system correspondent to SAP gives the capability to collect and distribute information across the association. And this system uses a common database across the association so that everyone can enter the same information. This system helps to reduce the data redundancy. Benefits of enterprise resources planning ERP system. These two types is number 1 is improve processes effectiveness, and 2 is charging savings. And that's all. Thank you.
So now, let's talk about the use case diagram of the Sonyo furniture. So, the use case diagram shows the information system of the Sonyo furniture and how it works with the help of the company's functional areas. So, as the demand increases, the furniture shop continues to expand and reach more clients. The use case diagram has 5 actors, or the 5 employees, which are the admin, manpower staff, accounting clerk, manufacturer, and of course, the client. First, the client would need to create an account where they will input their personal information like name, delivery address, and contact number, whereas the admin will monitor all the information. Next is editing their profile. Client can add a photo on their account or do changes on some information about them. For instance, they misspell their names when they are signing in on the system, so through editing their profile, they can make it right. The third is they're going to log in. The client will be able to access the Sonyo Furniture Information System after accomplishing their profile. So while accessing on the system, they can check the furniture products that the shop has offered. They can browse and see the information about a specific product like the description and price. Next is the client can order furniture and the admin would confirm the order before proceeding on purchasing the raw materials needed to make the furniture. And then, after confirming the order, the accounting clerk will coordinate with the manufacturer to facilitate the transaction of money that will be used for the raw materials. and then the client will place the order and then they will pay for it, while the accounting clerk will confirm the payment. And upon confirming the payment, the shipping clerk will deliver the furniture and the client will going to receive the order. It will have an extension if the furniture was used by the client. So therefore, a system's high-level function and scope are outlined in the case use diagram. The system's interaction with its actors are also shown in this diagram. In use case diagram, the actors and use cases only show what the system does and how the actors use it. So now it is not how the system works inside. Each actor or the employee of the furniture shop plays a significant role in the information system, and each connection will help the information or the system to work well. Additionally, it adds value because they assist in generating ideas for what could go wrong while also assisting in explaining how the system ought to operate. They provide a list of objectives which can be used to determine the system's cost and complexity.
Sinay Furniture currently utilizes computer-based information systems which are primarily in the accounting and financial areas. An example of this type of information system is the company-wide database that was recently implemented to improve the organization information systems. This database allows employees to access and update financial data in real time, streamlining processes and improving efficiency. Other examples of computer-based information system at Sinay's Furniture could include a customer relationship management system and the supply chain management system. The company initially used such manual information system as paper-based records processes to manage its operations. As the business grew, the demand increased. It is likely that they installed a mini computer to automate certain processes and applications such as accounting and financial management. In recent years, Soneo Furniture has renovated its information systems, resulting in a company-wide database and application that work with this database suggests that they may now use database-driven information system which allow for the storage and management of large amount of data in a central location. One example of a database-driven information system that Sonay Furniture may use an enterprise resource systems planning or ERP system. ERP systems are designed to integrate and manage all the core business processes of an organization, including accounting. The company initially used manual information systems such as paper-based records and processes to manage its operation. As the business grew and demand increased, this application would likely make use of data stored in the database to provide useful information and functionality to Soneo's employees. This database likely stores and manage important information about the company operations, such as financial data and customer orders. Additionally, it seems that Sonay Furniture has also built-in house application that work with this database, such as accounting financial application.
So hi, I am Joylyn Leandelar Constantino from 2ITV, and now I'm going to discuss the question number 3, which is about doing a job advertisement about hiring a 2 system analyst for Sonyo Information System. So this is the job advertisement that we did. Sonyo Furniture is seeking a system analyst to join our information system department. And as a member of the information system team, the system analyst is in charge of ensuring that the company and its subsidiaries receive high-quality IT systems. The position is the beginning of the development track of the Sonia Furniture Information System. In this job, you are supposed to be created as Space Master in frameworks and business examination and project coordination, as well as the development of the information system. So the responsibilities and roles of the system analyst that we are looking is defining and examining system issues in order to implement computer system requirements, creating and evaluating solutions and standards. The next one is consulting clients to define the application problem or assessing processes and procedures. The next one is preparing and evaluating alternative workflow solutions to develop a solution about a specific problem in the whole information system. The next one is establishing specifications and coordinations, production with programmers to control the solution. The next is approving results by testing programs. And then the next one is guaranteeing activity via preparing client workforce and offering a help. The next is producing documentation to serve as a reference. And then the last one is fulfilling the needs of the organization's mission and information system by completing related results.
I'm Isaiah Charles Di Rosete from 2ITB. Today, I will present to you the DFD or data flow diagram for our case study in 109. So, we'll come up for the first is customer. Customer will go to order to product. So, the product will be the purchasing, which is purchasing is a process. So, purchasing has two lanes, one for the sales and one for the shipping. For sales, the sales will be go to counting for recording for each transaction. Then, sales and accounting will be loop. They will do their own system. Next is the shipping. Shipping will go to order the item to the customer. So, shipping is a processing in the diagram as mentioned. So, based on the case study has been sent to us, I read about it, and I got interested in the parts where the business been cut off. I mean, not cut off, or been part each other, like purchasing, accounting, and order. So, I came to a conclusion with my group mates that how it works, and I made this data flow diagram that has shown the process of each another or the flow of the business in the case study. In conclusion, my group mates and I came up to this idea and brainstorming about it. That's all. Thank you.
An ERD or Entity Relationship Diagram is a data modeling technique. It uses graphics to show the relationship between the entities' information. It has a conceptual design for databases, can be created using it as a high-level logical data model. In our diagram, we have categories shopping cart, payment, product, customer, and delivery. The key entities are both visually represented by the various symbols and connectors found in an ERD, in addition to a collection of visual modeling tools that make it simple and faster for you to sketch.